Hi everyone and welcome back to my DIY adventures. If you're new here, my name is Olga and in today's video I'm so excited to share with you 4 DIY IKEA hacks that are easy and cheap to make, and I'm really excited how they turned out and I can't wait to share it with you. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Share in the comments down below which of the projects you like the most, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, as your support keeps my channel going. With all that being said, let's start our first DIY adventure. To make wine cork cup holder, you would need IKEA frame, the one that I'm showing in the video. So first you will need to measure the middle of the main frame, and then using drill and hole saw you would need to make a hole. In some parts of this video you will see my husband helping me. As the hole doesn't look pretty, I'm going to cover it with jute rope. Additionally to the main frame, you would need to cut the inner frame so that the wine corks can go through it. I made this project a while ago, so I will be showing you how I transferred wine quote on the clear plastic on a piece of glass from different frame. To write on it, I used oil-based Sharpie. I wanted to show you what I used previously to transfer the quote, and those were Posco markers. I think both are good, however Posco markers are a little bit better, as you can see. Also, you can choose how it will look like with the white part or without, however you like. And this is the final look of wine cork cup holder. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Now let's jump into our next DIY IKEA hack, and this is candle holder. For this project I'm using 3 cubes from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to give those 2 coats of paint with Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Matte Black paint. I cover all the sides of 3 cubes except of the bottoms. To dry the paint faster, I'm using hair dryer. Next I measure the middle of 2 sides of the cube. To glue them together, I used E6000, but you can use wood glue or hot glue. And I'm gluing classic tea light holder from IKEA. To glue those, I'm using the same E6000. And voila, it's done. It is very easy to make and it looks minimal and elegant in my opinion. Our third DIY IKEA hack is vanity makeup mirror. For this project you will need this IKEA mirror that I'm showing in the video. First you should remove the base as we don't need it. Then you need to cover the mirror from both sides with tape and paper. And I'm using utility knife to remove the tape from the metal as we are going to paint it. Before painting the mirror, I'm using acetone to clean it so that the paint will stick better. To give it a gold color, I'm using Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold spray paint. And now we're going to make the base. For the base you need cement. You should mix the cement with water to get the consistency as we show in the video. I wanted to make square shape for the base. For that I took lid from a box, and as it has holes, I'm covering the holes with scotch. Also, we added metallic part to the mirror holder to support it in the cement. Instead of metallic parts, you can use small cup that fits in the square to support and hold it in place and keeping it straight. After 24 hours, we took out the cement and sanded it. Then we covered the mirror holder with tape, as we are going to paint the base with Restore Stone textured finish. Unfortunately, when I removed the tape, the gold paint came off, so I had to give it another coat of paint. Therefore, I covered the cement with plastic bag. After I'm done with the paint and it's dry, I remove the tape and the paper and attach the mirror to the base. And the final step for this project is to stick the adhesive cork at the bottom to protect the surface where the mirror will be placed on. And that's it, it's done. I really love how it turned out and it looks gorgeous in my opinion. Hope you like it too. And we're almost at the end, so let's start our project number 4. To make it, you would need candle dish, and I'm going to paint both sides of it with black paint. Of course, you can use any color that you wish, or just leave it white. In the middle, you need to make a hole so that the cord can go through it. I bought white cord set in IKEA as it was cheaper, but you can buy the black one. I decided to paint it with the same black color. As you can see, I didn't paint all the cord as I'm going to use only part of it. Then I took 2 golden baskets from Dollar Tree and cut one of them as I'm showing in the video. That will allow you to insert the cord. To attach the baskets together, I'm using 4 jump rings. For the second basket, I'm cutting the bottom as I'm showing in the video. That will allow to attach the bulb and change it after. As I told you before, I'm not going to use the entire cord for this project, so here my husband cuts the cord and then working on electrical part. A disclaimer here, the electrical part must be done by a professional. The candle dish goes to the ceiling. If you don't have someone who can do the electrical part of it, you can use the cord as it is and hang the lamp by using hooks. So I decided to change a little bit the shape of the bottom basket. So I cut the bottom part of the basket as I'm showing in the video. At IKEA they have similar designs, but much more expensive. And this is the final look, and I love how it turned out. And I think the three of those together will look fabulous. A few years ago I made this kind of project and I bought the pendant from Walmart. It came one in a package and we bought 3 of those and made our own design. And they turned out so cool and beautiful, as you can see. So that is it for today. I really enjoyed making those DIY IKEA hacks. Hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired. Let me know in the comments down below which of them you like the most and if you'd like to see more IKEA hacks on my channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Also click the notification bell so you will be notified each time when a new DIY adventure will be up on my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you on our next DIY adventure. Bye!